On August 11th, 2018, thousands of people walked up to ATMs around the world and started withdrawing money from the Cosmos Bank. There was only one problem. Most of them did not have accounts with Cosmos Bank. The withdrawals happened in India, Canada, Hong Kong, the UAE, and more than 24 other countries. Within hours, crores of rupees had vanished. The bank started frantic investigations and ultimately found that hackers had broken into a critical part of the bank's systems known as the ATM switch. This is the system that checks if a debit card is genuine and if there is enough money in the account before approving a transaction. Normally, when you insert your card into an ATM, the machine digitally asks the bank for permission. The bank says yes or no. But in this case, the hackers had taken control of that decision-making process by compromising the bank server in Pune. They created thousands of cloned debit cards and distributed them to their accomplices around the world. Then they altered the bank systems to approve withdrawal requests automatically, even when the cards were fake. The ATMs thought the cards were genuine. The bank systems thought the transactions were legitimate. And cash started pouring out of machines across the world. By the time the attack was detected, more than 90 crore rupees had been stolen. The lesson here is simple. Cyber criminals do not always attack customers directly. Sometimes they attack the systems that protect the customers. That is why banks need continuous monitoring, strong access controls, and rapid detection mechanisms. Because when the system responsible for saying no is compromised, every ATM suddenly starts saying yes. To know more about how the bank's ATM switch was compromised, follow us and stay tuned for the next part.